What's up, Fast Family? I know y'all see that behind me. We got something special for y'all. Well, it's for the whole Fast Family, especially for me. Thank y'all for supporting me, man. We're gonna keep going, and I'm gonna keep showing you guys the bikes I like. I'm buying for myself to review towards you guys. So if you guys want to buy it, make sure you guys comment what bike y'all want me to review next. Of course, leave a like and subscribe, chat. So today we have a special guest.
Nice!
Altisdelta is here, chat. Oh man, turn me up, chat. Turn me up. This bass boy today, so I'm not gonna do like everybody does, do a full review, everything by little, but if y'all want me to, I can make what stuff comes with the bike for sure. Chat, so we're gonna be doing a full video on this probably next time, but right now we're gonna unbox it. I'm not gonna show you the whole unboxing. I'm probably just go like snip through it, and then I'm gonna show you when it's all done, and we're gonna go test it out, guys. If you guys are excited, man, leave a like and comment what you guys think about this bike. Is it fire or is it not fire? Let me know, chat below. Let me know. Got our special Milwaukee knife. Woo! There we go. There you go, chat. You guys are ready to see this beauty? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Sheesh. What we get in the box comes with this. Comes with like all the tools that you need. Damn, the foot pegs already come ready to go. The foot peg, don't forget that if you don't want to have your bike on the floor. And we all love a toolkit, chat. Of course, it comes with a toolkit. Altis for that. We need that. And it tells you the step by step what to do. You know us. We don't need that. But this is what it comes with. Literally out of the box. This is what you guys get. Some gold forks. Look pretty good. Battery. So you're ready to go, chat. So you get this beefy charger that tells you the percentage. I like that. Altis for that too, man. That little beefy charger. Ready to install. I'm gonna snap my fingers and we are all done. Like that. We have this beautiful beast, man. The Altisdelta, man. Coming at with 17 in the front and 14 in the rear. Tires, you have up to speed up to 63, and you have supposedly horsepower. I think it's like around 13 horsepower, 14 horsepower. You get big hydraulic brakes. You get nice foot pegs. You get pretty snappy throttle. These brakes are pretty good too. Definitely sounds good. You like good suspension too. I'll try it out right now. So yeah, guys, this bike has to offer, the motor has 13 kilowatts peak and it has 17 horsepower. Battery is a 72 volt, 35 amp. Top speed, it goes up to 63. Torque, like, is up to like 385. Weight is is around like, it's pretty heavy. It's not too heavy, but it's definitely more heavy than RTR. It's 163. That meaning, like for kilograms, it's a 74 kilograms. And it supposedly says it ranges up to 50-mile range. So depending, and the charge time takes up to 2 hours, depending if you're like at 20 or 80%. Suspension is adjustable too. So if you guys can adjust your suspension too, you can adjust it, your rebound and everything. It's pretty good. The real tire is a 14. And then you get a 17 in the front. Perfect for off-roading. And yeah, guys, the frame is aluminum. And definitely, all this whole power, you have them big, heavy-duty hydraulic disc brakes. The seat height for you guys people, it's 31 inches. So it's pretty tall. It's not too short. So if you're tall, it's going to fit you perfect. If you guys are tall, this is definitely a good bike for you guys, because look at this beauty. Just turn it on and show you guys. So you hear that? That's park. So you have a little button right here. You press this, and now when you hear that, you're out of park. This is mode 1. That's like lit mode. So if you're letting someone use it, they can just, go on that. and then you clip up. This is mode 2. Woo! I like how it's really quiet too. This is mode 3. Woo! It's really twerky, guys. So if you guys are looking for a twerky bike, Altisdelta is definitely for you guys. So yeah, guys, this is how the suspension looks like. I'm like 5'11", so this is how the bike looks on you guys, depending on what you guys. If you guys have any questions, man, make sure you guys leave a comment below. And what else you guys want to see with this new bike to see? Reviews, top speed, race my RTR, race my Komodo, race other people's bikes, and try it. I'm definitely going to take this baby on trails because why not? It has everything you guys need for trails. You got the high power, you got everything. So you guys enjoy. Just get a like so you guys can keep supporting me so I can keep buying these bikes. Because, woo! You guys hear that power? You definitely got that power, man. You can feel that whole power, definitely. So, all right, Fast Family. I'm out of here.